handheld drone detection and jamming all-in-one equipment contains detection, early warning, selective jamming function. Realize the drone passive detection, precise identification, accurate directional jamming. It applies to the individual patrol scenarios with small size and lightweight for carrying easily. Equipped with packing box, battery, sling, cell phone holder, charger, USB cable, external scalability, with a self-loading configuration. Check the battery condition, then insert the battery, switch on the power and press the detection button to start. When the drone is detected, the system will generate a slow and regular alarm sound, and the screen will display the brand, frequency and model of the drone. Press the directional button and slowly turn around till direction determined according to the intensity of alarm sound. Meanwhile, aim at the drone direction and pull the trigger to force the drone away or down by choosing the corresponding frequencies. The device supports to connect USB port with mobile terminals and provides visual interface through designated app.